Good morning, everyone. My name is Kalyan Kumar. I am BCA first year student from CIMAGE. Today I am going to present a presentation, and my presentation topic is operator. So let's start. First of all, operator. Operator is mainly six types. First is arithmetic operator. Second is relational operator, and third is logical operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator, and a special operator. And a special operator also contains two types, that is identity operator, and second one is membership operator. First operator, that is arithmetic operator. A mathematical function which perform calculation in two operands. This is known as arithmetical operator. Plus, minus, into, multiplication, division, pro multiplication are the symbol of arithmetic operator. This is an example. Suppose that A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2, and we type in Python A plus B, then our output is 7. A into B, then our output is 10, because 5 into 2 is equal to 10. A pro division B is equal to 2, and A pro multiplication B is equal to 25. Second one is relational operator. Relational operator is mainly used to compare the operand value either side. Greater than, smaller than, greater than, equal to, smaller than, equal to, equal to, and not equal to are the sign of relational operator. This here is also an example of relational operator. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Then our output becomes true. A is equal to B. A is not equal to B. So our output is false. A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. So our output is true. Logical operator. It is mainly used to combine multiple conditions in same case. And or or not are the symbol of logical operator. Here also an example of logical operator. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to false. So A is greater than B and A is smaller than B, and we use AND for the comparison. A is greater than B, 5 is greater than B, true, and 5 is smaller than B, false. So our output become false. In case of AND, our output in case of AND, any one is false, then our output become false, and in case of OR, any one is true, then our output become true. And not plus false is equal to false, and not plus true is equal to true. Bitwise operator. In this operator, firstly integers are converted into binary format, then operation performed bit by bit. Output returns in decimal format. And or, JOR, complement, right shift and left shift. These six are the symbol of bitwise operator. If in AND case A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6, then A and B is equal to 4, because binary of A is 5 and the binary of 6 is binary of A is 101 and the binary of 6 is 110, and then our after plus output is 4. And these all are the examples of bitwise operator. Assignment operator. It is mainly used to value the. It is used to assign the value to a variable. If A is equal to A is equal to 6, then print A, then our output becomes 6. So this is typing mistake. Our output is 6. If X is equal to 56, print X, then our output is 56. A special operator. A special operator, it contains two types of operator: identity operator and membership operator. First is identity operator. It verifies the ID of two operator. It verifies the ID of two operator is same or not same. Suppose that A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 6. Print A is B. A is B. Yes, 6 both are same, so our output become true. And if we print A is not B, A is not B, because both are same, but A is not B, so our output becomes false. Membership operator. It verifies any character is member of sequence or not. In and not in are the two symbols of special operator. Example: For example, variable is Jai Siya Ram. If we print Ram in variable, yes, Jai Siya Ram, Ram is in variable, then our output become true. And if we print Mahakal in variable, no, Jai Siya Ram, Mahakal not contain in this variable, so our output become false. Thank you.